has entered a new era of green transportation with the launch of its first indigenously developed hydrogen fuel cell powered train. In a major milestone for the country's railway sector, Prime Minister Narendra Modi flagged off the train at Jind Railway Station in Haryana on July 17, making India one of the select countries alongside Germany, Japan, China and the United States to adopt hydrogen technology for railway operations. The train will operate on the Jind Sonipat route under Northern Railway as a pilot project. The initiative aims to test the feasibility of hydrogen-powered mobility while helping Indian Railways build the infrastructure and operational expertise needed for wider deployment, especially on remote and heritage routes. According to Indian Railways, the 10-coach train comprising 2 hydrogen-driving power cars and 8 trailer coaches is the longest hydrogen-powered passenger train on its kind in the world, as most hydrogen trains currently operating or undergoing trials globally have only 2 or 3 passenger coaches. It can carry around 2,600 passengers and is powered by a 3,200 horsepower propulsion system, making it one of the most powerful hydrogen train sets currently in operation. The train has a design speed of 110 km per hour, while its maximum operating speed on the Jind Sonipat route is 75 km per hour. Unlike conventional electric trains that draw power from overhead lines or diesel locomotives that rely on combustion, the hydrogen-powered train generates its own electricity on board using Proton Exchange Membrane fuel cell technology. Hydrogen stored in onboard cylinders reacts with oxygen to produce electricity, which powers the train's traction motors. The only byproducts are water vapors and heat with no combustion, no smoke and no tailpipe carbon emissions. The train has been designed, engineered and integrated entirely in India using indigenous technology. To support its operations, Indian Railways has established a hydrogen storage and refuelling facility at Jind, approved by the Petroleum and Explosives Safety Organization. The project also includes advanced safety systems such as hydrogen leak detectors and flame detectors. According to Indian Railways, this pilot project will provide valuable operational experience for the future expansion of hydrogen-powered trains while strengthening India's commitment to sustainable transportation and green mobility. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.